about that. Hmm? Any more? What do you think? Maybe so? He doesn't really get the whole spoon thing. You got messy face. You gonna land it or barf it up in a minute? You gotta open. You gotta open. So far, so good. So far, so good. I think he likes it. I think he likes it. Don't stick it back out. Open up. You gonna blow bubbles with it or what? Oh, don't put your hands in it. No, that's not effective at all. Chew on those. Whoa, 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 hey. You like it? That was a big bite. He's doing alright, huh? Maybe this baby's just hungry. That was a lot. Whoa, he took it, Bubba. Look at that big boy. Look at that big boy. Look at that big boy. You are. Yeah. You gotta open. You gotta open. You gotta open. Look at his eyes. You can see his eyes. Open up. This is a spoon. It goes in your mouth. If your mouth is closed, it can't get in your mouth. Sounds like the spoons are too deep. Like you just don't think like a flat spoon because what is? You're not getting all much, a little much. What are you dinging in? Oh, that was a lot. Papa, you're such a big boy. Look at you, big man in town. You're not making a big old mess. You're not making all kinds of nasty, ugly faces. I think he likes it, I really do. It's so weird. It's like that next step, you know? Like pretty soon he's not even going to be taking a stinking bottle anymore. You're such a big baby, cereal face. I think you might actually eat all of this.
How much did you mix up?
Well, I said to start with 1 teaspoon of cereal. So that's what I did with about... Did you take any of this? Oh, I mean, just like a... Okay, hey! Like a few drops of formula, not a whole lot. It can't taste good. lot. Did you get stunned? Is it a game or do you actually like it? What? 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 I don't get it. Is it really that good or do you just think this is funny? What? Use your words. Like this? You can't suck it like a bottle. Are we done with fun cereal time? Look, there's just like 1.5 more bites left. You need to be like your Tata cannon, just a few more bites. No, 6 more bites. 1 more. That's it. We're done.